Sir is not.
Am I, sir?
Am I, sir? Can we start it? Hello? Hello? Am I, sir? Am I, sir? Please unmute yourself. We are not able to hear you. Am I, sir? Please unmute yourself.
Hello.
Yes. Good
Yes, sir,
morning,
yes.
Amay. Good morning. Hello?
Hello.
Good morning, Amay, sir.
Hello.
Yes, sir. Am I, sir? Am I audible
Yeah.
to you?
Yes, sir. Yes, Narote,
Yes.
sir. Yes.
Yes. Good morning. Good morning. So can
Very
we
good
start
morning.
the session?
Yes,
Can
sir.
we start this?
Yes,
Yes.
yes, yes.
Amay, sir, please switch on your video.
Just a second. Yeah.
Okay, Amay, I warmly welcome Professor Amay from RIT Islampur on behalf of Electronics Telecommunication Department, Government Residence Women's Polytechnic. A warm welcome to you, sir. I request Shinde Madam to continue further.
Hello.
Yes, madam. Joshi Madam, please continue further.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah.
Thank you. On this pleasant and joyful morning, very good morning to all participants, honorable authorities. It gives me immense pleasure to welcome you all on the last day of this online FDP outcome-based education and accreditation process. On behalf of Government Residence Women's Polytechnic, Tasga, and Electronics and Telecommunication Department, it is my pleasure and privilege to welcome today's speaker of this session, Honorable Professor Amay Gaurwadkar, sir. It is a great honor for me to introduce Professor Amay Gaurwadkar, sir. He is working as lecturer mechanical engineering and training and placement officer at Rajaram Bapu Institute of Technology, Rajaram Nagar, Islampur. He has completed master's degree in design engineering. He has 10 years of experience. He has conducted 23 full campus drives for diploma, BE, BTech, MTech students. Through this, 1800 plus students get placed in different industries. His efforts towards 100% placement for diploma students is remarkable. I think because of this, he has been awarded as Career Guru. He has organized different training programs on employment enhancement skills trainings for students to suit various needs of industries and develop students' interpersonal and communication skills. Also, he has organized number of technical content updating programs for all students and as well as faculties. He has formed Students Placement Club also. He has published 8 papers in different national and international journals, from which 2 papers are on outcome-based education. He has delivered 30 plus sessions as an expert keynote speaker in various training programs. He has 18K plus LinkedIn connections. He has developed website for job seekers career development. Now, I request today's young and dynamic speaker, Honorable Professor Amay Gaurwadkar sir, to address all participants on ICT embedded teaching learning. Over to you, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Joshi ma'am. So I'm audible, ma'am?
Sir, you are
Hello.
audible. You are audible,
Yes.
sir. I would
Yes.
like to make a few announcements for the today, sir. Please excuse me.
Yes, yes, sir.
So all the participant, today's schedule is scheduled in this way. First session will be conducted by Professor Amay. Second session will be conducted by Dimple, who is a devotee and discipline of arts of living and international speaker. Okay, her session will be started at 12:30. After that, the last session would be started by 3:30. So I will conduct a session at 3:30 on criteria 4, followed by the validatory function. Preferably criteria 4, I require half hour would be sufficient for me. So by 4 o'clock, we'll be starting the validatory program. And after validatory program, there test, MCQ based test. The duration test would be of 1.5 hour to 1 hours. 50 questions will be asked. The participant have to appear for the test. After complete test, in next 2-3 days, we'll upload your attendance, test marks, everything to the AICT portal. You have to fill the feedback on the AICT portal, which may be available on Monday or Tuesday. After filling the feedback of the portal, test marks, attendance, after that next 2 to 3 days later, you will get the certificates directly from the AICT. So certificates will be available once you fill the feedback on the AICT portal. So we expect by next Friday, participants will get certificate, and certificates are given to the participant that would be available in their login account, and the entire process is taken care by the AICT. And those who want to express their views in the validatory function, please text me your name so that in the validatory function, you'll get an opportunity to express your views related to this workshop. Thank you very much. Now I request Professor Amay to continue. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, sir. First of all, I want to thank Professor P.R. Doke sir and Dr. S.P. Narote sir, who is a coordinator for this Atal FDP, for inviting me. And also I want to thank Dr. S.A. Pardeshi sir, who is the principal of Government Residence Women's Polytechnic, Tasgaon, for inviting me for this Atal FDP. And also I want to thank Joshi ma'am for brief introduction about me. So without wasting time, let's begin with the session. So I just want to confirm whether my screen is visible to you or not.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Visible, sir.
Yes. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to conduct a session on ICT embedded teaching learning, where after this session, actually the name of session is Superhuman Educator. So after this session, I'm going to during this session I'm going to show you few Hatke tools which we are using in RIT also, and these tools are very helpful during traditional teaching method and even online teaching method also. So so guys, technology has changed our lives, and if you are noticing this change, you just say 2 words into chat box, that type 2 words into chat box, that is a yes. Okay, so I'm going to show you few images in next 2 or 3 slides. If you notice this technological change, so please type yes into chat box. Okay, so just 1 second, I just want to check chat box. So first image, previously we are using pencil to rewind the cassette, and right now we are experiencing buffering symbols. If you are experience this change, yes, I got the couple of responses. Vijay More sir, Amir Malya, Charushila, thank you. Yes, yes, okay. Now moving ahead, second, for watching watching cricket matches, there is a television. Now for clicking photographs, there is a digital camera or roll wala camera. Then we are using tring wala phone, and all these things are now involved into our mobile device. If you agree with this statement, please type yes into chat box. Okay. Amar sir saying yes. Vijay More is also saying yes. Thank you very much. To wish someone or to quote something, we used to write a letter, or we wrote that specific letter or birthday wish on greeting card. We post that into post office, and postman pick up that all greeting cards, goes to another city. Again, postman pick up that and deliver to home that person. But all things right we are doing on a mobile phone. We are sending birthday wishes, or we are sending quotations, email, everything by using our mobile phone. Okay, so if you agree with this, please type yes into chat box. And now last, all these things from last 1.5 years, we are experiencing this COVID situation, and everything is shifted to work from home culture. Work from home culture. So that means even we are doing work from home, majority activity are played on the mobile phone. And if you are agree with this, type yes into chat box. I think many of participants join from the mobile phone. So this is one also example that we are using mobile phone. Okay, so now according to News 18 survey, Indian college students spend 6 hours on average on internet every day. This situation is before COVID, and during COVID situation, this digital consumption goes up to 12 hours per day. That means it's double consumption is happening due to maybe online lectures or practicals or any other related activity. So that means digital consumption of students is increased by 12 hours per day. So my next question to you, where are your students? What they are doing in a 12 hours? I want quick 1 or 2 responses from you. In box, unmute yourself and just share your experience. So where are our students? What they are doing in these 12 hours? Okay, Amar sir is saying social media, gaming, right? Lecturing, that is also right. Few more. Online lectures, yes. Social media, PUBG is also, yes, they are doing